Hello guys, I have one more vlog on this again. So I'm gonna show you my cousin. Yeah. He has his own YouTube. I'm gonna show him again. Aldrich Gaming. What? Oh, his feet is shaking. Let me move a little bit there. I cannot move because of this charger. Yes, so, that charger is here. Look at this. Yes, videoing too. So this is my vlog. Wait, I can show. This is so messy. Why do I show it to you? Wait, I'm just gonna pause this. Wait. I am gonna end this video and clean the dirty mess right there. So messy. And that's the room of my auntie and my uncle. And this room is his room. This is my brother. That's his brother. So, oh my. My camera. I'm sorry guys, my camera. Anyway. What December when you? Huh? What date? What day was that? What date today? What day today? What day today? 20, because Saturday night. And Merry Christmas, guys. It will one day before Monday, so I'm gonna record my Christmas video on Monday. Bye bye.